What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, the YouTuber to invest to rest. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys here a very important video here for you guys who own Veracity, VRA, the altcoin. And if you guys want to learn more about this, you guys want to invest into this amazing altcoin that has huge potential for the future, I actually made a video on that. It'll be in the pinned comment below and in the cards if you guys want to learn more and research more. But in today's video, I'm bringing you guys here kind of a sad video for people that own this and live in the United States and some of these other countries here that I'm going to talk to you guys about. Because thanks to one of my subscribers, in that video that I made about Veracity, he commented basically saying that it goes against the terms of use and condition of Veracity to basically stake Veracity and on top of that hold Veracity in the Vera wallet if you live in the United States. And I'm going to show you guys here and basically kind of warn you guys, give you guys some awareness if you guys are holding this and living in the United States, to basically warn you guys that you should probably not hold it in this because they can suspend your account and you could lose all your money, all your investments in Veracity. So let me show you guys here proof. So this is their official website right here, veracity.io. If you scroll all the way down, you'll see right here terms and condition. You can just click on that. And this is their terms of use, okay? So right here, last updated 26 January 2021. But right here, this is the main part right here. You may not use our services if you are a United States, Cayman Islands, Singapore, or British Virgin Islands resident, or if you are located in the United States, Cayman Islands, Singapore, or British Virgin Islands. So they make that very clear with caps. And by the services, it's not just the staking, but it's also holding your VRA in their Vera wallet. And it also says on top of that, says right here, you may register a user account, access, and use our services. So right there, register a user account, basically having their wallet, and then use our services like the staking that they have as an individual or behalf of a corporation, partnership, and all that, except where the individual or entity is located in the Cayman Islands or the United States of America or Singapore or British Virgin Islands. So that is just very clear in the terms of use. I don't know why they don't make it more clear when you basically make an account on the Vera wallet or when you go to stake. You know what I mean? It should say right there, you know, you can't use our, staking, or you can't make a wallet if you live in these places. It should be, they should make it very clear in there, because you can still stake if you guys are in these places. It doesn't warn you. And then if you scroll down right here, in an event that you or the entity violates these terms, that entity agrees to be jointly and severely liable to us. Please note that there may be specific terms or conditions applicable to entities detailed herein. This is basically saying that the rest is going to basically tell you what they can do if you violate their terms of use. So if you scroll down a little bit right here, it says restricted locations, and it goes into a little bit more detail. It says right here, you may not use our services if you are located in or a citizen or resident of any state, country, territory where you use our services would be illegal or otherwise violate any applicable law. You represent and warrant that you are not a citizen or resident of any such jurisdiction, and you will not use any services while located in any such jurisdiction. You also may not use services if you are located in or citizen or resident of any jurisdiction where Veracity has determined as a discretion to prohibit use of the services. Veracity may implement controls to restrict access to services from any jurisdiction prohibited pursuant to these terms. You agree to comply with these terms even if Veracity methods to prevent use of the services are not effective or can be bypassed. So as you guys can see, they make it very clear in their terms of use, but there still are a lot of people that still use their services located in those places. And I haven't heard of anybody getting their suspended account or anything like that. I follow a lot of people on Twitter, and also I check on Reddit and all that stuff. But it doesn't mean that they can't do it in the future, right? I mean, their terms of use is very clear, so anything can happen in the future. And honestly, it really sucks because, being able to stake at 25.5 APY on your Veracity is amazing, because you're literally getting free money. You're getting free Veracity every single day, right? That can one day be $1 or more. So it kind of sucks that you can't do this in these places, including the United States. But again, it's better to be safe than sorry. It's better to hold your bag of Veracity than to lose it all and risk it all. And I just wanted to show you guys here some of the places that you can hold your Veracity, and hopefully in the future, Veracity allows people to stake in the United States. So right here, Kucoin is one of them, and one of my favorite ones. You can actually buy Veracity on Kucoin and also hold it there. The only con is that there's a withdrawal fee, but it's not that big of a withdrawal fee, right? These are some other places right here: Gate.io, Uniswap, Flybit, Bittrex, Bitmart, Hits BTC, SimpleSwap. So these are just some of the places here that you can hold or buy VRA. So hey guys, I'm just making this video just to warn you guys that are VRA holders in the United States, and to just give you guys a warning. I mean, if you guys been doing this for a while and you guys still trust it, I'm just giving you guys here a warning. This is all from their official website in terms of condition. So don't be surprised if something happens in the future. So me personally, I'm definitely gonna, put it in a safe place. I'd rather, not risk it, because I really like Veracity and I believe, that it can go much higher in the future. So that's it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, if you guys want to learn more about Veracity, check out my video in the pinned comment and also in the cards. And yeah, I hope to help you guys out and give you guys some value. Leave a comment if you guys get any questions, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.